This is a new coil. Just got, I ordered 6 new coil and 2 of them are defective. And to prove it, I'm going to show how my old meter is set up. 20K. And it's working.
The
old meter is working. That coil is not registering, so that coil is no good.
Tu vois rien sur le...
Qu'est-ce qui se passe là?
C'est juste à le voyage que tu vois.
That coil is no good. Now we're going to go check some other coil. Here's a new coil. Came in the same order. Ordered at the same time. These all brand new coil. And this one here does not register. It's no good. I'm going to show it different. This one here is an old coil. It's weak, but it's still working. Yeah, I recorded 13.6. Not that bad of a coil. But I was going to put my new one in order to increase my spark. But the new one is worse than the old one. The new one is dead. I'm going to show you some of the new ones here. I got a new coil over here. New coil. Pick one out of the bunch here.
Really?
This coil is good. Not very strong, but you know, it's weak a little bit. Good. I got another one here. Check that one too. That was a different one. Sorry. I'll try another one here. I already checked all these coils and they're good. This one here, kind of weak, but depending on the application. It's 4.86, but it's working. Depends on the application. But I mean, they're working coil, but the other ones are dead coil. I don't know why your people don't check them before you send them out of the factory.
Okay.